Sarah Lehman.
During COVID, everything that we once took for granted became 10 times more difficult. With all these changes, we unfortunately see many of our most vulnerable, those who most are in need of our help and support, being left behind. So like everyone else, we at the Extra Life London Guild had to adapt, and fast. My name is Sarah Lehman, and I'm the sitting president of the Extra Life London Guild. We are a community of gamers that unites every year to raise hundreds of thousands of dollars for Children's Miracle Network hospitals. So we raise money through Extra Life to give to the Children's Health Foundation. In response to recent events, we were forced to move all our gaming and fundraising events to an online format. By doing this, we have been able to allow community members to continue to connect and find new ways to raise funds for the Children's Hospital here in London. In 2018-19, we would be steady at about $60,000 or $70,000. Last year, we raised almost $120,000. All of that money raised stays here in London and helps kids to live a better life, to enjoy themselves still while they have to be in the hospital, and just make them feel like they're kids, because kids deserve to feel like kids. I first felt like I was making an impact when I met one of our patient ambassadors for the first time. He was a young boy and he had stayed in the hospital for over 120 days. He wasn't able to do much in the hospital, but they actually used funds that we had raised to buy him a gaming console so that he could still play with his friends, because they lived in Windsor. He could still play with his friends from the hospital. Being able to make a kid feel like a kid again, even when they're going through something that's so traumatic for them, is so important. I want to make sure that any child who has to use our services has the best chance at life. If they have the best services, the best doctors, they may have a better chance at life after they leave the hospital. I have seen a lot of really amazing leaders. All of those leaders seem to have compassion, caring, empathy in common. I always want the people that I'm working with to know that what they are doing matters and how I feel about them. I want people to feel valued and feel like the work that they are doing is making a difference, and I think that is important. What I would say to others who are not sure if they are ready to lead, or they feel called to lead but they're not sure what to do, take a leap of faith, because there will be always other people around you that care about you and that will support you even if you stumble. If you truly value something and you believe in something and you think this is right, then just go for it.